AI video tools are everywhere right now, but here's the truth. Most of them are clunky, confusing, or flat out useless. I've spent weeks testing the biggest names in AI video automation, so you don't waste your time or your budget on hype. As a content creator, you've probably been promised one-click video production only to get stuck with a tool that spits out robotic junk or worse, makes your brand look amateur. The real problem is too many tools and not enough transparency. Everyone claims to be the best, but who actually delivers? In this video, I'm breaking down the top AI video creation platforms, from drag and drop editors to full-blown avatars. You'll get the real pros, the deal-breaking cons, and who each one is best suited for. No fluff, no affiliate shilling, just real results. But before we jump into it, if you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. Now, let's get dangerous. Pictory AI builds itself as a fully automated video creation tool that turns scripts, blog posts, and long-form content or URLs into share-ready videos in minutes. No heavy editing skills required. Imagine you paste a blog post URL into Pictory. Then it parses the text and breaks it into scenes. Applies matching visuals like stock footage and imagery from its library, adds voiceover, either text-to-speech or pick your own voice, and lets you download a finished video in landscape 16:9 or social format 1:1 or 9:16, ready for YouTube or Instagram. In short, text to video with minimal manual editing. Pros are beginner-friendly interface. Even without the video editing experience, users report being able to get results quickly. Time saver for repurposing content. It enables converting existing blog posts, long-form videos, or scripts into videos, which can significantly speed up content production. It has a rich stock media and voiceover integration. The platform includes a large media library and supports captions, voiceover, and branding elements. And it's social format ready and scalable. It supports outputs in various formats and is well suited for producing multiple videos at scale than one-off productions. Its cons are less control than full editor tools. Because the workflow is more automated, you may lose some precision or creative control that a dedicated video editor provides. It's sometimes imperfect with scene and visual matching. The AI-chosen visuals may not always align perfectly with the tone or specifics of your script, leading to extra manual tweaks. Its support and advanced features may lag. Some users report slower support responsiveness or fewer options for customization, like voice nuance and varied editing, compared to professional-grade editors. Pictory is best for content creators, marketers, and bloggers who have existing text, like blogs, scripts, and webinars, and want to transform that into video quickly without hiring an editor. Social media managers or agencies needing to produce many short videos consistently, and small business owners who don't have large video editing budgets but want branded video output. Strong value and efficiency for what it does, with trade-offs if you require full custom editing power. Synthesia is positioned as an AI-powered video creation platform that lets you turn simple scripts into polished videos using realistic avatars. No camera, lighting, or human presenter required. It supports over 140 languages and more than 230 avatars, making it ideal for brands, training departments, and creators aiming for multi-language, scalable video output. Here's how a typical workflow with Synthesia would go. You write or upload a script in your chosen language. You select an avatar and voice or accent. You pick a template or layout like training module or explainer video, and the platform automatically synchronizes the avatar's lip movement, gestures, and voiceover to the text. Then you export the video for web or training use. Essentially, script to avatar-led video with minimal gear or setup. Its pros are high-quality avatars and voices. Many reviewers agree the avatar-led videos look polished, and the voices are among the better ones in the AI video space. The web-based interface is clean and efficient. You can generate a professional-looking video in a fraction of the time traditional filming or editing would take. Global language support, with support for 140 plus languages and dozens of accents. It's strong for global teams or multilingual content production. It has brand templates and avatar customization. You can use professional templates and customize branding, layout, and the avatar's style to match your organization's look and feel. Its cons are avatar realism and naturalness gaps. Even though the service is strong overall, some users report that facial expressions, gestures, and mouth movement can feel off or less natural, especially for highly emotive content. You have creative limitations. Because the workflow is highly templated and avatar-centered, there's less flexibility for highly creative, cinematic, or freeform video formats. One review described it as great for business or training, but less suitable for artistic, narrative-driven projects. Depending on the pricing tier you pick, it has cost and usage limits. Depending on the pricing tier you pick, you may face restrictions on video minutes or credits. Some users say that to scale use, you may need a higher cost plan. It has content moderation and compliance constraints. Particularly for regulated industries or certain types of content, the company's moderation policies and avatar licensing rules can complicate workflows. Synthesia is best for training departments, corporate communications teams, and e-learning creators who want to produce on-brand multilingual videos without filming real presenters. Marketing teams or agencies looking to scale explainer or product demo videos quickly and cost-effectively, and content creators who need a fast, efficient tool to convert scripts or text-based messages into presentable video formats, especially when FaceTime or studio budgets are limited. Runway ML pitches itself as a next-generation creative suite powered by AI that allows you to generate and edit videos, images, and audio, all without the usual trappings of large-scale production. Key functions include text-to-video generation, image-to-video conversion, advanced editing tools like background removal, motion brushes, and lip sync, and seamless cloud-based workflows. Here's how you might use Runway ML. Enter a descriptive text prompt, like a low-sun cinematographic tracking shot across a city skyline, and allow the platform to generate a short video clip. Upload a still image and use the image-to-video tool to animate, including camera moves, transitions, or motion in the frame. Use the built-in editing tools. Remove a background, blur a face, or apply a motion brush to an object in a video clip to create effects or transitions. In short, you go from script or image to generative video and editing all inside one platform. Its pros include cutting-edge generation and editing combo. Many reviewers highlight that Runway blends generative video tools with real editing workflows, which sets it apart from simpler text-to-video apps. It's all cloud-based, so no heavy hardware is needed. Because much of the processing happens in the cloud, users don't necessarily need high-end GPUs locally. And you have versatility across mediums. Whether you're generating video from text, adding existing footage, or animating a still image, the platform supports a wide range of creative uses. Its cons include a steeper learning curve for some users. While the interface is polished, the number of features and generative options means it's not always as plug and play as simpler tools. The output quality still varies for certain use cases. Some reviewers note that while the video generation is impressive, it's not always perfect, especially when the scene gets complex or needs ultra realism. Cloud dependency and cost scaling. Because it's largely cloud based, stable internet is required, and scaling heavy usage might get expensive. Runway ML is best for creators, filmmakers, and agencies who want to generate or prototype high concept videos like storyboards, cinematic clips, or visual effects tests more quickly. Content teams that already have existing footage or still images and want to enhance or repurpose them with AI tools. And small to mid-sized businesses or solo creators who want a single platform that covers both generative and editing capabilities rather than stitching multiple tools together. Descript positions itself as a unified audio-video editor built for creators who want to edit just like they edit text. With its core functionality, you can upload or record audio or video, the platform transcribes it, and you can edit the media simply by editing the transcript. It also includes advanced features like voice cloning, automatic audio cleanup, screen recording, and social format export templates. Here's how a typical workflow with Descript might go. You upload a talking head video or podcast recording, and Descript automatically transcribes it within minutes. You scan through the transcript, highlight unwanted filler words, or remove repeated sentences, and the system removes the corresponding audio and video segments automatically. You apply one-click audio enhancement like studio sound that removes background noise and makes the voice sound more professional. You pull out a 30-second section of your video, choose a mobile or social template, and export a square or vertical clip with captions for Instagram or TikTok. In short, recording and transcript to edit like text to polished output in various formats. Its pros include intuitive text-based editing. Many users appreciate that editing video via transcript is far faster than wrestling with traditional timelines. You have a time-saving workflow for creators. Features like filler word removal, automatic captions, and quick exports significantly reduce editing overhead. You have strong audio enhancement and corrections. Studio sound and other audio tools allow less than perfect recordings to be cleaned up nicely. And it's good for repurposing content. Great if you're taking long-form video podcast content and turning it into shorter pieces or mobile-ready clips. Its cons are that it's not a full-fledged video editor for high-end production. If you need complex visual effects, motion graphics, advanced color grading, Descript falls short compared to tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. You have performance and learning curve issues. Some users report lag on larger projects, and although the interface is simpler, it still requires some acclimation, especially if you're migrating from other workflows. Mobile editing and advanced exports are limited. As of current reviews, there is limited mobile app support and some higher level editor export features are locked behind premium tiers. Voice cloning and AI voice features are impressive, but may sound artificial over long passages or require manual tweaking. Descript is best for YouTubers, podcasters, educators, or marketers who produce primarily talk-based content and need a faster way to edit and repurpose it. Content creators who want to turn long-form recordings into social clips with captions and minimal video editing. And solo creators or small teams who don't have access to large video editing budgets and want to streamline their workflow significantly. HeyGen promotes itself as a fast and intuitive AI video creation platform that allows users to turn text scripts or even still images into videos featuring realistic avatars, voiceovers, lip syncing, and multi-language support. A typical workflow with HeyGen looks like this. You choose from a library of over 100 avatars, or upload your own digital twin, plus pick a voice and language. You either type a script or upload text, and the system produces the video. Avatar speaks the text, lip sync is applied, and visuals are set. Advanced options let you translate the video into other languages with matching lip movement, ready for global audiences. And the final output is a polished video you can publish. No physical camera, lighting, or actor necessary. Its pros are that its pros include very high avatar realism and voice quality. Reviews highlight that avatars look lifelike and lip sync is strong, making the video output feel much more professional than many other rapid video tools. You have rapid production with low barrier to entry. The platform is praised for being user-friendly and enabling creators with little editing experience to generate videos in minutes. You have strong multilingual and translation capabilities. The tool supports many languages and is designed for translating videos with synced avatars, enabling broader audience reach. Use case breadth. Marketing, training, and explainer videos. Many users see it as especially useful for corporate training, e-learning, product demos, or social marketing videos where a polished avatar-led presentation adds value. Its cons include some rendering and performance issues. A number of users report slower processing times, especially with longer videos or lower tier plans. Avatar expressions and customizations are still maturing. While they are good, some reviewers note avatars can still feel slightly robotic or less expressive than a human presenter, and customization might have limits. Pricing and plan limitations. Some users feel the value skews toward higher tier plans for longer videos or advanced features. Free or trial plans are quite limited. The creative flexibility may lag full editor tools. If you're looking to do heavy motion graphics, cinematic effects, or deep editing, HeyGen might not be as a dedicated video editing software. HeyGen is best for solo creators, marketers, or educators who want to produce professional-looking avatar-led videos quickly without setting up a studio or hiring actors. Teams that need to scale video production globally, like leveraging translation and multilingual avatars to reach multiple markets. And content creators who already have a script or presentation and want to turn it into a branded video with minimal editing and post-production overhead. So there you have it. 5 of the most powerful AI video tools on the market right now. Whether you're batch producing social clips, transforming blogs into branded video content, or scaling videos with AI avatars, there's a tool here that can save you hours and elevate your production game if you know how to use it right. If you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.